Welcome to our factory. Today we will see how toys are made step by step. Toys bring happiness to children all over the world. From small plastic cars to soft teddy bears, every toy is made with care and precision. In this video, we will explore the full toy manufacturing process inside a modern factory. Let's begin our journey. Every toy starts with an idea. Designers create drawings and 3D models on computers. They use special software to design the toy's shape, size, and colors. Engineers check if the design is safe for children. After approval, the design moves to the production team. Different toys use different materials. Plastic toys use plastic granules. Soft toys use fabric, cotton, and thread. Metal toys use lightweight steel or aluminum. All materials are checked for quality and safety. Safety is always the first priority. For plastic toys, small plastic pellets are poured into a large machine. The machine heats the pellets at high temperature. The plastic melts and becomes liquid. This liquid plastic is ready for shaping. The melted plastic is injected into metal molds. These molds have the exact shape of the toy parts. After a few seconds, the plastic cools and becomes solid. The mold opens and the toy part comes out. This process is fast and accurate. Sometimes extra plastic remains on the edges. Workers trim and smooth the parts carefully. Machines also help polish the surface. Now the toy parts look clean and smooth. Some toys are colored during molding. Others are painted later. Automatic spray machines paint the toys evenly. Bright colors make toys attractive and fun. After painting, toys move to drying chambers. Some toys need eyes, logos, or designs. Printing machines add these details. Stickers are applied carefully. Now the toy looks complete and lively. For electronic toys, small circuits are added. Speakers, lights, and batteries are installed. Technicians carefully connect wires. Every electronic part is tested. All parts move to the assembly line. Workers and machines join the pieces together. Screws are tightened. Moving parts are tested. Each toy slowly takes its final shape. For soft toys, large fabric rolls are used. Machines cut fabric into patterns. Each piece is carefully shaped. Workers stitch the fabric pieces together. Industrial sewing machines work quickly. Small openings are left for filling. Soft cotton filling is added inside. The toy becomes soft and fluffy. Workers shape it carefully. Now the toy feels soft and cuddly. Eyes, nose, and mouth are added. Some toys use stitched details. Others use safe plastic eyes. Every detail must be child-safe. Quality control is very important. Inspectors check sharp edges, loose parts. Paint quality strength. Defective toys are removed. Only safe toys move forward. Toys go through safety tests. They are dropped from height. They are pulled and twisted. Electronic toys are checked for battery safety. This ensures the toy is strong and safe. Toys are cleaned. Dust and marks are removed. They are polished for a shiny finish. Now they are ready for packaging. Packaging is also designed carefully. It shows toy name, age group, and safety marks. Bright boxes attract customers. Toys move on conveyor belts. Machines place them inside boxes. Plastic wrapping seals the box. Barcodes are added. Small boxes are packed into big cartons. Each carton is labeled. This makes transport easy. Cartons are stored in a large warehouse. Everything is organized by product type. Orders are prepared for shipment. Trucks load the cartons. Toys are sent to stores and countries worldwide. The journey from factory to child begins. Many workers are involved. Designers, engineers, machine operators, quality inspectors' teamwork makes production smooth and efficient. From a simple idea to a finished product, toy manufacturing is a detailed and careful process. Every toy passes through many hands and machines. The goal is simple: to create safe, colorful, and joyful toys for children. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory process videos.